In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate contacts on your iPhone at once. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. Now you see I have two duplicate contacts, and let me show you how I will delete and find all the contacts and delete them at once. So first I need to open up my App Store and search for duplicate contacts. And here download and install some application. I like that. Clean up duplicate contacts. Install that. And once this app is installed, open it up. Tap allow. OK. Analyze. And here I see the results of my total contacts, of my contacts after clean, full and partial duplicates, and so on. I can tap on full and partial duplicate right here, see all my duplicates, and then tap on merge to merge these contacts. So now I got no duplicate contacts, and if you wish you can rate this app. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.